Is it really and truly safe?
Well, the question that you're asking is the same question that I had to ask as the fiduciary responsible for $500 million of my shareholders' money back in 2020. I
Sure.
said, before I invest in this, is it going to be hacked? Is it going to be banned? Is it going to be copied? Those are the big three questions. And it's hard to know that in the first year of the network, but we're now approaching year 16. It'll be the 16th anniversary of the network on Halloween. That's the 16th anniversary of the white paper, that is.
Satoshi
And the
Nakamoto, by the way, not everybody knows that, but Satoshi basically came up with this. We don't really know if Satoshi was a real person. I'd be curious to get your thoughts on that, or whether it was a group of people. But amazing, obviously, discovery. Continue.
So after 16 years, it has been copied 10,000 times. They all failed. It's the winner, right? It's the network that all the smart, rich people in the world chose. It's the bank in cyberspace. If you show up in a city and there's 10,000 banks and you have a bunch of money, and the question is, which bank should you put your money in? You go find every smart, rich person that you know in the city and you say, hey, where do you put your money? And if they all put their money in one bank, you're probably not going to put your money in a bank that's a million times smaller than them that only has poor, stupid people. So it was copied. It's the winner. It is the bank that's of choice of the smart money in the world. And will it be banned? You couldn't know that for 15 years, but the IRS legitimized it as property in 2014. The SEC approved a host of Bitcoin ETFs in January of 2024. Today, it's held by nearly 100 publicly traded companies. Every major regulator has certified it as a commodity, not a security. That was a judgment by the former head of the SEC under Trump, and that's the judgment of the current head of the SEC, Gary Gensler. So it's not getting banned.
Quick reminder to go over to 76 Research, our financial website, where you can get a whole lot of information about financial markets and what stocks we like to invest in. Lots of different content there. Just a quick look at our top financial pick, up 24%, utility up 24%, real estate up 23%. You get the picture. It's important to put yourself and your financial future first. You can do that at 76 Research, just $1. It costs just $1 with code word dollar, $1 a month for the first 2 months. 76research.com. I'll see you there.
And that takes us to the third question is, will it be hacked? And Satoshi's got about $70 billion in a bunch of wallets that any hacker could have if they could crack the code. And it's been there for 16 years and nobody's cracked the code. It hasn't been hacked. And the reason it hasn't been hacked is because it's defended by a wall of digital energy, about 730 exahash. That's more computer power than all of the computers that Amazon or Microsoft or Apple could, working jointly together could generate. So it is the strongest wall of computer power in the world, stronger than any nation state can muster, stronger than any company can muster. And that computing power, combined with the fact that there's approximately $800 billion of actual money deposited in this bank over the past 15 years, combined with hundreds of millions of holders, combined with about almost 20 gigawatts of electricity, which is like 20 full-on nuclear reactors. 20 gigawatts is more electrical energy or more pure energy than drives the entire U.S. Navy. That's how much power it is. So Bitcoin's really defended by power, a lot of power in political, economic, digital, and electrical form. And there's no way to finesse it. You can't kind of spoof it or trick it. You just need 10 times as much computing power as exists on the surface of the earth in order to crack it. That's why no one's cracking it.